Trump sets deadline 10 to 15 days for Iran. So I'm just, thinking loudly. There is nothing real at all. Why he not fighting straight away? Because he don't have to wait. If you wanna fight, he can fight straight away. Or if you wanna get peace, just seconds. But he don't prefer both of them. He just prefer to make some deadline 10 to 15 days. But for what? Just because of this, I wanna think. I wanna think loudly. Does he may threatening his own country just because of Epstein files? I don't know. Or may he trying to manipulate market because it's already dropped, so with this deadline he can keep drop market. But for what? Getting short position? This is a president who makes it. So I don't know. I'm just, getting lost inside of my thoughts. That's why just please, if you know anything, just enlighten me. I don't know. Do you?